everybody, what's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. It's me, your homegirl Ladosha Wright, and I am the author of Curly Hair Adventures, What They Don't Tell You at the Hair Salon, and the Beauty and Barber Survival Plan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about how to RevAir 4C hair using the Tribology line. So here's what they don't tell you at the hair salon. Remember, in my videos, I'm talking about be careful with hair mapping. All right, all companies, the language of hair mapping and hair typing are not universal. So in the Tribology line, I'm going to be using Wave Goodbye, which on here it says is for hair types 1 and 2. So that would be very fine to fine hair. And then they have Play It Straight, which is for types 3 and 4, and that's for like medium to coarse hair. Now what happens is most people confuse Afro hair with types 3 and 4. Don't do that, okay? So we're going to use Wave Goodbye, and we're only going to use a little. So remember, one of the challenges with styling Afro hair is that people have it miscategorized, all right? So in the RevAir, the finer hair is 1 and 2, all right? And I'm using just a little, okay? Now you want to make sure you're combing the product through the hair. Don't try to rub it in. Don't do it. You got to comb the product through. Let me turn her around. There she is. And I'm going to move that clip out of the way. Now, this is a lot of hair to RevAir because Afro hair, remember, it poofs back. You see that? So now what we're going to do is just section this off. Now, I did detangle her hair at the shampoo bowl, so that's why there's no tangling here. So you can do the same thing at home. Detangle it, put it in knots, and then towel blot it, okay? So now you have your product. You combed it out. Make sure your device, I start off on number 3. Remember, the numbers does not negate the heat. It negates the level of pull on the hair. So your 1 is where the heat is. So we're gonna turn the heat up. The middle is no heat. The low is low. So we're going all the way up. And now we're going to turn our device on. And the tension setting is on number 3. And we're going to put the hair in the device, and there it is. Don't pump the hair. Don't do it. There's no need to do that. Now, this brittleness that a lot of people have some concerns about, 99% of the brittleness is going to come from the tension is too high. So remember, 1, 2, or 3. I have never turned the tension up past 4. Never, okay? But I'm mostly dealing with Afro, I'm dealing with types 1, 2, and 3, okay? So I don't need that tension up high, and there it is. You see that? Now what I do is I take the time to comb the hair while it's still warm, okay? I'll do another piece. Remember, comb it out, very good. Another thing about brittle hair. So here's the thing, the concern about brittle hair with RevAir. If the hair isn't clean, then you know what? The device won't work because the heat isn't very high on RevAir. So it's not going to melt off those heavy products that comes from using a lot of your curly creams and butters and balms. So those products are very, very difficult to wash off hair, and regular shampoos won't do it. For her, I use the clarifying shampoo to get all the buildup off. And remember, I also section her hair, okay? So as you can see, I moved it around, and voila. Did you like this? She said, yeah, baby. You see that? And then I comb it while it's warm, you see? So it's not straightening her hair. I'm still going to have to flat iron it, or if she wanted to go get her hair braided, you know, she could do that. You don't necessarily have to flat iron the hair. She could go straight into her braid style. She could twist it again, all right? So remember, just a little. You don't need to use a lot. You're gonna rub it all over like lotion. Start from the ends first, and then work your way down. You see how I'm working it through the hair? And now I'm going to detangle this section again. Remember, detangle from the scalp coming down. And then, there it is. Voila. Do not stick this whole section in the device. All right? So make sure you're going to break that in half. And if you have your little alligator clips, you can use those, or just regular clips will do. And now I'm going to put the hair in the device. And voila, just that simple. That's what it takes to not have brittle hair. Number one, make sure the hair in the scalp is clean, squeaky clean, no debris. Number two, make sure the hair is conditioned. Number three, use 1 or 2 wave goodbye. Don't use the play it straight. That's gonna be too heavy, all right? Number 4, make sure your tension setting is on 1, 2, or 3. Maybe 4. I would not use 4 on her hair. No, 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 no. That's it. And there you can see, voila, you see that? And you can also make this section as a little bit, I want it to get a little bit straighter. See how it's a little frizzy here? No problem. I'm just gonna go back in, and there I go again. So don't put too much hair in the device. Don't do it, all right? And then just slide it back out, voila. So some sections are going to be your best bet, all right? Here we are again. I just wanna get that a little bit smoother, okay? Just a little bit. And that's it. So the number is on 3. Don't let it sit forever. Stick your finger in there. Once it's dry, just pull it off. I know you guys are thinking that it's going to take a long time, but you know what? It's not supposed to take a long time. It only takes a few seconds to get this hair to be nice and smooth out, and then you can proceed with braiding, flat ironing, or you could twist it, whatever you want to do to your hair, and then that's it. So there you have it. Again, how to RevAir Afro Curly, or what you guys call 4A, B, or C hair. All right, thank you so very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and when that bell rings, you know what? I'm dropping some knowledge on you guys. Peace, love, and hair. And if you ain't got no hair, rub your beautiful bald head. Oh, and share the video, okay?